Hey friends, hey, welcome to the channel. So today is like my absolute favorite time of the month. So anywho, let's get things organized. Where can I put this? So I am working with $400 today. So let's do some counting. Count our money up and get the show on the road. So I have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, and 20, 40. So 240, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 81, 10, 20, 30, 40. So that's 140 in 10. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, I'm getting 410. Did I mess up here? All right, so I'm getting 410. So I don't even know why, but I did say 400. So let's just work with that. I'm almost positive that I counted the count correctly. So we're gonna just work with it. If I made a mistake, I'm pretty sure someone will let me know. And that is totally okay with me. I'm going to start off with my loose change jar. I don't give that enough love, but I do stuff it, but I don't show you guys that I'm stuffing it. So let's just get my loose change out of the way, and then we can get into the other things. So little ASMR. Okay, that is all done, and it says retail therapy. I might go on a little shopping spree. We'll see how that goes. You know what? I actually made a new dashboard for my binder, so I'm going to add that. So how cute is she? Is she not gorgeous? There's probably a glare, but you know, I got a little crafty and decided I needed a new dashboard. So there she goes. All right, so this is what it kind of looks like. Okay, I think it's given. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. Emergency fund is getting 25. So that is a 5 and a 20. And we don't count our saving challenge. We just stuff. At the end of the year, or maybe I'll give you guys like a quarterly for the second quarter. I'll give you guys an update. So let's go ahead and color in one of the tracker. Girls Just Want to Have Funds is getting $40, so that is $220. And I want to do the little bonus savings that's in the middle, but let's do the big numbers, get those ones out of the way. We're going to go in with green. Let's add some vibe. All right, that's it. So how are you guys doing on your saving challenge, on your financial journey? Just comment down below. Do you have any tips to keep consistent with saving? I am gonna do the 50 envelope challenge. Let me scoot that over here. A little bit of organized chaos. That's just what it is. We're doing envelope 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, so that's it. All 4 of my envelopes are stuff. I did 13, which I rounded up to 15. 14, I rounded up to 15. 11 and 12, I kept it at $10. It will kind of all balance out because some of them I'm rounding up, and I just feel like it will all balance out. So look at that. We are filling things up nicely. Okay, I'm going to set this off to the side because we're all done with that. Next up is my $5 challenge, and I did went ahead and kind of add everything up. At the end, I'll have $150. So that is kind of nice. So for my $5 challenge, I'm going to put a $10 bill, or am I putting 2 5s? 2 5s, let's go for it. Okay, because I want to keep them all the same. Okay. So let's go ahead and color in 2 of these trackers. How are you guys doing with finishing up your saving challenge? Do you feel like it's almost like we're pretty much halfway through the year? Are you done with any of your challenges, or are they just slowly still coming along? Because I know I'm going to do well with my challenge. I just don't know if I'm going to finish it or complete it by the end of the year. Are you guys in a rush to finish it by the end of the year to kind of like have that cutoff, or it doesn't matter? You're still just going to persevere until you kind of do what you need to do? Let me know. Comment down below and let me know that. So the $10 challenge will be getting 2 10s, which will be 20. Oh, can I put 2 10s? Let's go for 2 10s. Okay, we'll put that here. And my son is in the background playing the guitar. He is 1, but let me tell you, he's a grown little man. Let me tell you, he's a grown little man. Let's color in 2 of these trackers. $15 challenge. So for my $15 challenge, I'll have a total of $450 at the end of this one, and I'm just going to put 15 for this, and I'm out of 5, so hopefully I don't run into not having enough change, but I think I should be okay. No, I'm gonna need another 5 actually. So how am I gonna do this? Because I could see on my little marker that I'm gonna need another 5 for my, maybe not. Yes, for my 5, 10, 15 envelope. You know what? We'll figure it out when we get there. Okay, so that is done. I'm just going to be marking off 1 tracker. Moving on to self-care. Okay, so self-care will be getting $10. We'll just put that in there. And I'm going to color 2 of the purse. Okay, so I am all done with this. I actually did a little bit of tweaking with this one in terms of like what each icon is worth. I felt like $10 was pushing it, and I'm really trying to be budget conscious. I changed each icon's value amount to $5 just to make things kind of easier for me. And at the end, there's going to be quite a bit in overall, in total, for all of the savings. So I don't feel like I should stress myself out and put big numbers. Okay, so for the 5, 10, 15, that is getting the $15 in that. This is where I feel like I'm just gonna have a little bit of problem. So I'm gonna go to my $5 savings envelope and then break this up, put this here, and then I'll figure it out after, because I didn't really want a $5 in there, but you know what? It is just what it is. So now I can do 15 in here. Or, you know what? I'm so silly. I am so silly. Let me go back over here. Take this out, put that there, and then put 2 in here. Hopefully I did not just confuse the hay out of myself, and that makes more sense because, yeah, I'm just being anal right now. Boy. Okay, so I'm going to color off 2 hearts. I'm going to do a 5 and a 10 because I did add 15. And that's it. Okay. So next up is my luxury purchase. Okay, that is getting $10. And we're just gonna color off one of the icons. So we're going into the bingo, and the bingo is a scratch off. So let me just get my coin and just pick one. Okay, that's the free space. And okay, let's go into the G line. So there you have it. I scratched off a watch, and the watch is worth $20. So 20 is going into bingo. Over the Rainbow is up on the docket, and Over the Rainbow is getting $10. Okay, let's put that in there. And I'm thinking if I should color like one of these, the cauldron, or 2 of these. You know what? Let's color 2 of the 5s down here. Kind of make it look like we're doing a lot here. Okay. All right. That's it for Over the Rainbow. Now it is the 52 weeks, and 52 weeks is getting $20. All right, so 31 days. The 31-day challenge will be getting $20, I said. All right, so that means we can mark off 9 and 10. So that is it. Now I know where the loud noise is coming from. I'm doing laundry. Oh my goodness. Why is the machine so loud? Honestly, why is it so loud? So Bon Voyage will be getting $20. So we're gonna put 20 in her, and she gets 2 of the little suitcases marked off. All right, so my camera is looking like it's gonna die, so let's just see how far we can get along in this. So Dream Home, 20 as well. And that is one of the house I could get to color. Rainy Day gets, what did I say Rainy Day is gonna get? Rainy Day is gonna get $20. So let's fill in some of the raindrops. So I got to color in 4 raindrops for Rainy Day. Now we're gonna do roll the dice, and I'm gonna get, I think 4 dice, or no, I don't want to push. Let's get 3 dice and then go for it. All right, so we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll round that to 15 for roll the dice. All right, we're still doing good for the on the camera, so let's do our scratch off. Let's go for this one. Scratch off gets a $20. And now I have my spring saving challenge. Spring is supposed to get, you know what, I need to really wrap this one up, and I have $40. So how about we put $10 in spring and then color off a whole bunch of flowers. And with having $20 remaining, I could get to do my bonus challenge, which is deck of cards. So let's color off, what is it, 20 flowers. Okay, so look at that. My first savings challenge completed is the spring challenge. So you know what? Because this is the first that I've completed, let's just go ahead and count how much I was able to save in her. Okay, so for my spring challenge, which is kind of early, I'm wrapping it up early because summer starts, I think, June 20th. So this is pretty perfect. I could go ahead and start my summer challenge a little earlier. So 20, 30, 35, 40, and 45. Not a lot because each of the icon was worth only $1, and you know what? I could live with it. So I'm wrapping up my first saving challenge, and that is kind of exciting. So next month I could start my summer challenge a little earlier. So now I'm gonna do my bonus challenge, which is deck of cards. I have $20 to play with, so that's it. So let's just shuffle quickly. 1, 2. All right, so we're gonna go with 7 and 6, so that is 12. Let's try one more. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and I think that's good enough. We'll round that up to $20 and call it a day. So I'll put these over here. These cards are so slippery. Oh, I actually, for the first time in forever, I did my round off ahead. For my round off, I'm at 27.54, closing out May. All right. So that is it for my end of the month saving challenge for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.